Welcome to the JioSh URL Dashboard. Here we will embark on a journey to explore the comprehensive overview of your account. On this platform, you will have access to many useful services and information that can improve your link management experience. Let's explore what it offers in more detail. After you log in successfully, you'll see a visually appealing and user-friendly interface. To your left, you will find a list of various services that JioSh URL offers. These include dashboard, links, biolinks, blog, custom domains, tracking pixels, workspaces, link groups, link overlays, and report abuse. In the upcoming videos, we will take a closer look at each of these services, uncovering their functionalities and how they can benefit you. Located at the bottom left corner of the dashboard, you will find information regarding the number of links you have created out of the 20 link credit allotted to your free account. We understand that you may desire to enhance your account's capabilities, and to do so, simply click on the Upgrade Account button. This will lead you to our diverse plans, offering a range of features to cater to your specific requirements. By reviewing the different plans available, you can select and purchase the one that best aligns with your needs. We provide both monthly and yearly plans, with pricing displayed in Indian rupees as well as in United States dollar, euro, Great British pound, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and Japanese yen. Please note that the free account allows the creation of only 20 links, while our paid plans unlock additional features and link creation capacity. Moving to the right side panel, at the top, you will find a comprehensive list of social media accounts. These include Twitter, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Threads, and our very own JioSh URL website. By simply clicking on the respective logos, you will be seamlessly redirected to the corresponding pages, allowing you to stay connected and share your links effortlessly. Furthermore, on this platform, you have the option to explore different time periods such as hourly, weekly, monthly, and custom. These periods provide you with detailed information about your link's performance and engagement over time. Selecting any of these options allows you to access the analytics section, where you will find valuable insights into the performance of your link. You can select Analytics type, and under the first tab, you can explore information such as total clicks, referrals, and locations. Total clicks represents the overall number of clicks made on your link, while referrals breaks down the click counts by categories such as direct, email, or SMS. Locations provide you with geographical information about where your link has been clicked, and we even provide state-wise analytics for deeper insights. Moving to the second tab, you can delve into details about top devices, top browsers, and top platforms. Top devices highlights the most frequently used devices that clicked on your link, while top browsers showcases the browsers predominantly used to access your link. Finally, top platforms reveals the operating systems used by users to click on your link. To access this information, simply click on the Show Analytics button under the respective tab. Please note that these details offer valuable insights into the performance and engagement of your link, allowing you to optimize your strategies and cater to your audience's preferences effectively. For a more focused analysis, you can select the yearly option and choose the desired year from the drop-down list. By clicking on the Show Analytics button, you will gain access to comprehensive analytics specifically for that particular year. Yearly option is available for paid members only. If you need to examine analytics for a specific time period, you can use the custom option. This allows you to specify the desired dates, indicating both the starting date and the end date. By selecting the custom option and clicking on the Show Analytics button, you will receive analytics data for the specified duration, enabling you to evaluate the performance of your link during that time frame. As you navigate through the dashboard, you will notice that as you scroll down the page, our chatbot support options become available. Here, You can choose the platform through which you prefer to engage in a chat with our support team. Additionally, you can explore our other services listed under the categories of management and JioSh URL, expanding your options and making the most out of our platform. Lastly, we understand the importance of personalization and convenience, which is why we offer a dark mode option. Located at the bottom of the screen, you can simply select the dark mode option to enable a visually pleasing dark background. You can easily choose the dark mode option by clicking on the arrow near your profile picture and selecting it from the list that appears. Should you wish to revert to the default white background, you can easily switch back to light mode with the click of a button. Today we have introduced you with JioSh URL Dashboard, which provides a comprehensive overview of your account and a range of powerful features and insights. From managing your links to analyzing their performance, from exploring diverse plans to engaging with our support team. Thank you. And let's dive into the exciting world of link management and analytics.